Welcome to Stories. Today, we journey into the heart of ancient Egypt to uncover the mysteries of the Pyramids of Giza. How did these colossal structures come to be? What secrets do they hold? Join us as we unravel the story of one of history's greatest wonders. Our story begins over 4,000 years ago, during the Old Kingdom period of ancient Egypt. The Pyramids of Giza, located on the Giza Plateau, were built during the reigns of pharaohs Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure. But why did these pharaohs commission such monumental tombs? Pharaoh Khufu, known to the Greeks as Cheops, initiated the construction of the Great Pyramid around 2580 BC. His son, Khafre, followed with the Second Pyramid and the iconic Sphinx. Lastly, Menkaure built the smallest of the three pyramids. These structures were not just tombs. They were symbols of divine power and eternal life. But how were these massive structures built? The Great Pyramid alone contains over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing between 2.5 to 80 tons. Workers used simple tools like copper chisels, stone hammers, and wooden sledges. But how did they achieve such precision and scale? One theory suggests that workers used a straight or spiral ramp to haul the stones to the desired height. Another theory proposes the use of a lever system. Recent discoveries even suggest that water may have played a role in reducing friction during transport. But no definitive method has been agreed upon, adding to the pyramids' mystery. The pyramids were designed to be eternal resting places for the pharaohs. They believed these monumental tombs would ensure their journey to the afterlife. The Great Pyramid, for instance, contains the king's chamber, queen's chamber, and a complex system of passages. Hieroglyphics and artifacts found within the pyramids provide insights into the religious beliefs and practices of the ancient Egyptians. They believed that the soul would ascend to the stars and join the gods in the afterlife. Standing at an original height of 481 feet, the Great Pyramid was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Its alignment with the cardinal points is remarkably precise. But what else lies within its massive structure? Recent explorations using advanced technology have revealed hidden voids and chambers. In 2017, a team of scientists discovered a large void above the Grand Gallery using muon radiography. Could this be a hidden chamber? And if so, what secrets does it hold? Adjacent to the pyramids stands the Great Sphinx, a limestone statue with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh, likely Khafre. The Sphinx, measuring 73 meters long and 20 meters high, has puzzled historians for centuries. What was its purpose, and why was it built? Theories range from it being a guardian of the Giza Plateau to representing the sun god Ra. The erosion patterns on the Sphinx also suggest it may be older than the pyramids, hinting at a deeper mystery beneath the sands. Over the years, archaeologists have made significant discoveries at Giza. Howard Weiss's 19th century explorations unearthed the first clues about the pyramid's construction. More recently, Dr. Zahi Hawass's work has shed light on the lives of the workers who built these monuments. Artifacts such as tools, pottery, and burial goods provide a glimpse into daily life in ancient Egypt. The discovery of workers' villages nearby indicates that a well-organized workforce, including skilled laborers, was crucial to the construction of the pyramids. Despite extensive research, many mysteries still surround the Pyramids of Giza. Theories about their purpose, construction, and hidden chambers abound. Some believe the pyramids align with the stars of Orion's belt, reflecting the Egyptians' celestial beliefs. Others speculate about undiscovered passages and rooms within the pyramids. Each new discovery and theory adds to the enigma of the pyramids, inviting us to question and explore further. Today, the Pyramids of Giza are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, drawing millions of visitors each year. These ancient wonders not only symbolize Egypt's rich history, but also humanity's enduring quest for knowledge and understanding. Preservationists face challenges like pollution, tourism, and natural erosion. Yet, they continue to work tirelessly to protect and restore these irreplaceable monuments for future generations. The Pyramids of Giza stand as a testament to human ingenuity, ambition, and the enduring power of mystery. They invite us to look back in awe and wonder at a civilization capable of such monumental achievements. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Be sure to subscribe to Stories for more captivating tales from history and beyond. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep discovering.